guys, it is Samstang, and I'm here to talk about the handheld tuner. Now, believe me, I have recorded countless videos for you guys in the past week, but those 50 views I've gotten on my last few videos have been a little bit discouraging. But let's go ahead and jump into the video. Looking at me and my weird Ninja Turtle baby face, we're gonna go ahead and focus on this car and whatever I just told you. You know what the title is. Cars like that don't fall in line with the same situation here. So first, you're gonna need one of these things. Not by Bama. Bama is straight trash. Can be. It's just this one in particular is an SCT handheld tuner. Now, really, a handheld tuner. Let's go over all the things people don't really ever tell you about these things. Now, I know in the newer cars, realistically, the ones that are, let's say everything 2011 and up. Not sure about the other ones. I don't really speak for them. I'm trying to find the port here. I don't speak for those because I've never owned them. They're a little old. I'm sure they have some type of customization, if not near the same. I don't know. Do is we're gonna go ahead and program vehicle. Okay, you can continue to whatever you want to be in. It could be in that mode or not. It is right now. Not actually trying to do anything. Device is already married to another vehicle. Okay, not exactly sure what's going on here. Continue. Here we go. Now this one in here is a V6 Mustang. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be a V6 or anything. It could be whatever your car is. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go with the 9. Oh, that doesn't work with this car actually. Oh God. Here we go. So there's a preloaded tune for V6 Mustang, recognizes on this device. So we're gonna click on that for the sake of this video. So click on V6 Mustang or whatever your corresponding vehicle may be. These do have preloaded sets of information inside of them, so these are the things you can do without actually going out to purchase a tune. So you can set it up to run on 87 octane. That's at the stock airbox or not, the axle ratio, which is the gear ratio, tire revs, the stock value, whatever possibly. This is just kind of like speed speedometer, stuff like that. You can put a speed limiter on it. The drive limit, so this is actually pretty much the rev limiter. So like if you wanted to, if you have like an automatic or even a manual for that much, is a fuel cutoff point on how much or how many RPMs you'd like it to go up to. So you could put it to the max, which I don't recommend. That's pretty unsafe. I think the safe cutoff would be like 75 or 7600 RPMs. 77 is literally the last thing that you should probably ever touch. If you go any higher than that, you might be breaking something. Anyway, you can do that. You can set rev limiters for the car to kind of have a two-step on it. You know, that's a thing. And this is just like how the car would sound or what RPM it will kind of cruise on with you not really being on the gas type of thing. It's coasting and everything like that. So those are kind of the things that people don't really tell you can do with these tuners, like the rev limiter and the speed limiter. Like people don't really, you could set up, let's say like you're gonna have a friend or your son or whatever, someone borrow your car. Okay, you could put that speed limiter on. You could put exactly what you would have it on. If you don't want them driving too crazy in your car, these things get a little wobbly around 90 miles an hour. So I would say 95 miles an hour would be more so the max speed. Someone borrowing your car shouldn't be going any faster than that anyway. So there's one little trick for you guys. If you're kind of wondering what lies in the intake airbox slot, it's Steeda. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure this is only for the Steeda airbox, and all of them are kind of different. So if you have anything other than that, I wouldn't do that. Now this is just the handheld built-in kind of tune for it. You know, you can have one customized from you, whoever your tune is, Lund, NPT, Steeda, whatever, whoever you're, you know, doing your tunes with. This is like for any engine count or whatever. You're probably wondering what the lev of this thing even sounds like, the two-step to say. I can definitely go ahead and restart it for you guys and I guess give you a quick demonstration of what the two-step would sound like. So generally, if you wanted to have that really loud popping sound and go type of crap, I would leave it at let's say 5,500 RPMs, and let's see how that sounds. Somehow didn't know, it does kind of shut things off for a little. This might take some time. There you go. It shuts off. and you'll hear the fuel pump trying to depressurize a little bit. The processor is being unlocked, and it's just, it's doing something. This is a lot longer than the standard reflash that I usually use my MPT one. I don't know why I didn't go ahead and do that. You know, in the video, whatever, nothing's really different, except for the fact in the MPT tune, the customized one, you can't actually actively change the rev limiter while driving as you can on the preloaded one for some reason. I don't really know. I don't know if they can give you an option for that or not. But yeah, you can have a really low idle. You can have really low idle while driving. Oh, there we go. Oh shit. I go ahead and return to stock, and then we'll check on it way later again. These are a lot of lights going on. Oh my God, this is terrible. Oh my God, yes, please return to stock. I don't know what the frick is going on. Ugh. Well, I guess, so after that happened, I'm gonna go ahead and do my tune. I'm sure like after it's returned to stock, you can do it that way. Look at my feet. Don't look at my feet. They're fine, actually. You know, I have perfect limbs and fingers and hands and stuff like that. I'm a pretty interesting guy. Anyway, why is it not focusing on this? Yeah, so what we're gonna do is, I'm already running a pretty low setup here. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna do that two-step for you, you know, like I was supposed to do, like a while ago. Jesus. All right, we're gonna do 5,500 RPM. Let's go. You know what? I lied. I feel like to get that proper two-step, you need to kind of be in that 4,500 RPM range, maybe 46. There we go. All right. Supposed to go. It's supposed to zoom and do that. Yeah, you heard the fuel gauge do the pressuring and all that other kind of crap. So now let's skip to the the clip where it starts two-stepping or whatever. While we're waiting for it to download, I look like such a Ninja Turtle. Roll up. Or waiting for it to go ahead and download, I can definitely say that this is definitely something you're gonna need throughout your whole cycle of owning the car. Because even when you start putting mods on it, you won't get the most out of your mods without having a tune. So sometimes you won't see any gains without having a tune. So yes, these things run for like $400, but it's really, you need it. You absolutely need it to to do anything, because you need a data log if you're gonna do real tunes for your car. Everybody's car is different, you know. You have to get the most out of your car by data logging. So data logging and sending it back to the tuner at least probably 3 times, just to be safe and everything. And you can do a lot of different things. Like, you can make the car sound really loud at startup. You could make it shift differently. You can do a lot of different things based on just having a tune from a proper tuner. So that's why, literally these things are needed. If you have a Mustang, at least a modern one, I'd say it's definitely needed. Like, you can do even a ghost cam. God knows why you would do it, but you can do it if you wanted to. And it's just things like that, Technology is crazy. So anyway, let's just skip to that two-step thing. I'm pretty sure for some reason you guys want to hear it. I don't really care about it, but I did that and it just kind of smelled strange, like really strong gas. Give me a second. Anyway, like I said, you can change the idle. You can make it really high, you can make it really low, and that's to go to show off, and it's also to save fuel, I guess, if you wanted to. Look at Artemis. But it's been Sam's thing. Hope this video has been somewhat helpful to you guys. Yeah, these tuners are very important. They're cool. Yeah. Anyway, like you heard her say, time to wrap things up. If you're not already following me on social media, go ahead and follow me. Can't wait to bring this hair back. I look like a Ninja Turtle. So yeah, I'm out.